Hello, my name is Patty Owls and I am the owner of Style Your Motion. And welcome to Style Your Motion's tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to tuck rock, something a lot of break dancers use and freestyle dancers use, such as myself. Now, what we're going to begin is with one of my more advanced movements that I teach in one of my group classes. It's going to be the kick, 1, 2, 3, switch, 1, 2, 3, switch, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we're going to begin with the right leg. We're going to kick with that heel, okay? Just a little slide off the heel. So it's going to be kick, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we're going to keep going with that. Kick, 1, 2, 3, back, forward, and make sure that heel is sticking up, so it's heel toe on the right leg, heel toe, so you can feel that bounce. So from here, after 3, when you hit on 3, you put that left leg out, that right leg jumps back. It's just like a ½ inch off of the floor, where it's not noticeable, where you're jumping back and pushing that forward. Kick, 1, 2, 3, switch. The switch is something that is pretty hard, but try that with the switch. And from here, on 3, switch. So kick, 1, 2, 3, switch. And then jump into it, that heel, the toe, and then the heel, toe, heel, toe. And if you missed what I said, just rewind. Okay, here we go. Kick, 1, 2, 3, switch, 1, 2, 3, switch, 1, 2, 3, all right? When you go on the left side, it's the same thing that you did on the right side. From here, on 3, when you're on 3, toe, you know, you can stand here when you're about to switch to have that balance, and then you switch out. Again, 3, switch. Let's do 3, and then 1, 2, 3, switch. So on 3, switch, 1, 2, 3, switch, 1, 2, 3, switch. Then you go fast. Once you get used to it, it's all about the bouncing. The balance is going to help you switch more faster, and it's going to help the movement go faster. So I recommend that you start off slow and build up the speed once you get comfortable. So rewind the video, keep rewinding it until you get it. And if you want more tutorials, feel free to check out my website, www.styleyourmotion.com. Patty out!